Your front door plays a bigger role in your home's comfort, security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal than you may realize. For Hauppauge homeowners, where seasonal temperature swings and coastal weather can take their toll, keeping your doors in top condition is essential. Over time, even the most well-built doors begin to wear down, and when that happens, replacing them becomes one of the best investments you can make for your home. If you're not sure whether your door needs attention, here are the top signs it's time for door replacement in your Hauppauge home. You feel drafts or temperature changes near the door. One of the clearest indicators that a door needs replacing is feeling cold drafts in winter or warm air leaking in during summer. Doors should form a tight seal, keeping your home comfortable and your HVAC system running efficiently. When gaps form around the frame, or when the door warps and no longer sits flush, outdoor air easily finds its way inside. For Hauppauge residents who battle cold winters, humid summers, and windy days, this is more than just a comfort issue. It leads to higher energy bills and reduced indoor comfort. The door is difficult to open or close. If your door sticks, scrapes the floor, or becomes hard to lock, it's usually a sign of warping, swelling, or structural damage. Wood doors in particular tend to expand in high humidity and contract in cold weather, causing alignment problems. Ignoring these issues can lead to damage to hinges, broken locks, gaps around the frame, security vulnerabilities. A door should operate smoothly. When it doesn't, replacement is often the most cost-effective fix. Visible damage is affecting safety or appearance. An entry door is one of the most visible parts of your home's exterior, and one of the most important security features. Cracks, dents, rotting wood, peeling laminate, or rusted metal all indicate that your door has reached the end of its lifespan. Not only do these signs impact curb appeal, but they also weaken the structural integrity of the door, making it easier for intruders to break in. If your door's appearance or strength has noticeably declined, replacing it will restore both beauty and safety. Your locks no longer feel secure. A door is only as secure as its locking system. If your door frame is warped, if the door doesn't close tightly, or if the lock feels loose, your home's security is at risk. Common issues include loose deadbolts, misaligned strike plates, warped frames that prevent proper locking, weak or outdated hardware. For Hauppauge homeowners who want peace of mind, replacing the door is often a better solution than simply repairing the lock. You notice increasing energy bills. If you've seen a steady rise in heating and cooling costs but haven't changed your usage habits, your door may be letting energy slip away. Older doors lack modern insulation, weather stripping, and thermal materials designed to keep indoor temperatures stable. A new, energy-efficient door can help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reduce HVAC strain, lower monthly utility bills, improve comfort in every season. This upgrade pays for itself quickly, especially in climates like Hauppauge's that experience seasonal extremes. Moisture damage or mold around the frame. Water infiltration is a serious problem. If you see soft wood, mold, mildew, peeling paint, or swelling near the doorframe, it often means moisture has found its way inside and is causing structural deterioration. Left unaddressed, it can lead to wood rot, pest issues, compromised framing, indoor air quality concerns. A replacement door with proper sealing and installation will stop moisture in its tracks. Your door looks outdated and hurts curb appeal. Sometimes, the biggest reason to replace a door is simple: it no longer fits your home's style. Entry doors contribute significantly to first impressions, and an outdated or unattractive door can pull down your entire exterior. New doors come in modern designs, stylish finishes, and enhanced materials that instantly update your Hauppauge home's appearance and value. Final thoughts. A door that's worn, drafty, difficult to operate, or outdated isn't just an inconvenience. It can affect your home's comfort, energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. For Hauppauge homeowners, recognizing the signs early ensures you choose replacement before small issues turn into costly repairs. If you're noticing any of these signs, upgrading to a new, Professionally installed door is a smart investment that will improve your home for years to come.